Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic payments on Cox. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for your Cox internet or Cox mobile bill automatically. How do you actually go ahead and turn that on? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Cox. Then click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. Then click on My Account. Next, click on Edit Profile Settings, then click on Billing Options over here, then click on Easy Pay Setup, Make Automatic Payments. Now, a new window is going to appear, and you can see the different automatic payments that are set up for internet and mobile if you have mobile. But if it says Easy Pay is off, click on Manage, then make sure that you toggle this on. By toggling this on, automatic payments are going to be made from the payment method that is here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on automatic payments on Cox. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.